Hello world. It's your boy City, you know what I'm saying? 10:47 right now. Just woke up. Gotta hit the road, my nigga Rod. Gotta get back to work. I gotta get back to life, you know what I'm saying? I miss my daughter, I miss the fam, all that, you know what I mean? Fun time out here last night was crazy, you know what I mean? Let me show you some of the after effects around the house going on. First off, you know what I'm saying? We got just a mess everywhere. Just mess everywhere. We got my nigga laid out. You know what I'm saying? Just gone. More mess. Check it. Beer pong table. Just fucked up. Cases and cases of beer, you know what I mean? So that goes. The nice bitches. And then we got Rob. Can't really see him, but he's getting ready right now. I don't care, we turn on the light. You should have turned on the light. Can't really see nothing. Dude, my boy Joey was so fucked up that he's sleeping on the floor in his own room right now. While my boy Andy took over his bed, you know what I'm saying? It's crazy. And there's nobody ever take my bed. So, we're gonna finish packing up and all that. Hit the road, might give you another video on the road, let you know how everything's going, see if we make it and all that. I'm gonna get this shit downstairs because I'm still tired and I think I'm gonna pass out in the car while we cruising. I'll let y'all again.